Hello, my wonderful popaholics. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that many of us are secretly obsessed with: popping pimples. It's a guilty pleasure, a habit we often indulge in behind closed doors. But before we proceed, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. Is it truly a harmless act, or are we potentially causing more harm than good? We all know the urge, that insistent, almost magnetic pull to pop that stubborn whitehead. It sits there, a tiny mountain on the landscape of our face, begging for our attention. There's a strange satisfaction in it, isn't there? A sense of accomplishment, a feeling of control. Almost like hitting a reset button for your skin. A fresh start, a clean slate. We imagine the blemish gone, our skin smooth and flawless once more. But here's the truth, and it's a truth we need to confront. Popping the wrong way, with the wrong technique, or on the wrong type of blemish, can do real damage. Dirty fingers, teeming with unseen bacteria, or too much force, applied without precision, can push bacteria deeper into the pore, where it can wreak havoc. Suddenly, you're not just dealing with a small blemish, you're facing a painful, inflamed cyst that throbs with discomfort. You risk tearing your delicate skin, inviting infection to set in and cause further complications, and worst of all, leaving behind permanent scarring that serves as a constant reminder of your popping past. Aggressive popping damages the precious collagen fibers that give your skin its structure and elasticity, leaving behind unsightly pits or dark spots that can linger for months or even years. So, how do you satisfy the undeniable urge to pop without inflicting lasting harm on your precious skin? It's all about discernment, knowing which pimples are truly ready for extraction and which ones should be left alone. It's about using the right tools, sterilized and designed for the task. And above all, it's about being gentle, patient, and mindful of your skin's delicate structure. Think of it not as a mindless act of squeezing, but as a precise procedure, a delicate dance between your fingers and your skin. Learn the safe and effective way to extract blemishes, and you can enjoy the satisfaction of clear, healthy skin, without the lasting scars and regrets. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to do it right, step by careful step. When it comes to extractions, preparation is absolutely everything. It's the foundation upon which successful and safe extractions are built. Rushing into the process without proper prep can lead to a host of problems, from ineffective extractions to potential skin damage. The very first step, start with clean hands. This is non-negotiable. Wash thoroughly with soap and water. Don't just give them a quick rinse. We're talking about a proper, dedicated hand washing session. Lather up, scrub between your fingers, and get under your nails. If you're using tools, skip the fingernails and ensure they are scrupulously clean. Long nails can harbor bacteria, so keep them short and well-maintained. Now, grab a sterilized comedone extractor. This tool is your best friend for safe and effective extractions. Wipe it down thoroughly with rubbing alcohol and let it air dry completely. This ensures that you're not introducing any unwanted bacteria to your skin. Next, cleanse your face with a gentle, non-comedogenic cleanser. This removes surface oils, dirt, and makeup, creating a clean canvas for extraction. Steam your skin with a warm shower. The steam helps to open up your pores, making extractions easier and less traumatic for your skin. Or, if you prefer, use a damp washcloth to soften pores. Simply soak a clean washcloth in warm water, wring it out, and gently press it against your face for a few minutes. Only attempt to pop pimples with a visible whitehead. These are the ones that are ready to be extracted. Never red, deep bumps. These are often cystic acne, which require professional treatment. Forcing a pimple that isn't ready leads to pain and scarring. It's simply not worth the risk. Patience is key. Sometimes the best thing you can do is wait. The right prep keeps your skin safe and sets you up for a clean extraction. It minimizes the risk of infection and reduces the likelihood of scarring. Don't skip these steps. They make all the difference. Trust us, your skin will thank you for it. Ready? Let's move to the main event. Here's how to pop safely. Remember, gentle is the name of the game. Now for the main event, the pop. But remember, the golden rule here is to be gentle. We're not trying to wage war on your skin, but rather coax out those pesky imperfections with care and precision. Patience is key. The key to a successful extraction is proper alignment. Center the extractor loop directly over the whitehead, ensuring it's perfectly positioned for a clean release. This precise placement is crucial for minimizing trauma to the surrounding skin. Now apply slow, even pressure. Think of it as a gentle nudge, not a forceful shove. Maintain a steady hand and resist the urge to squeeze too hard. Gradual pressure allows the pore to open naturally. If the whitehead is ready to be extracted, the contents will come out easily, almost effortlessly. You'll see a clear release without excessive force or discomfort. This is the sign of a successful and well-timed extraction. Remember, the process should be relatively pain-free. No digging, no excessive pressure, and absolutely no forcing. If you experience any sharp pain, it's a clear indication to stop immediately. If nothing happens after applying gentle pressure, it's time to stop. Don't persist in the face of resistance. It's better to leave it alone than to risk damaging your skin. Forcing it will only cause damage, leading to inflammation, scarring, and potential infection. Your skin is delicate, so treat it with the respect it deserves. Don't have an extractor? No problem. There's a readily available alternative that can work just as well in a pinch. Use 2 clean cotton swabs, pressing down and inwards gently on either side of the whitehead. This method provides a more diffused pressure, reducing the risk of trauma. And a crucial reminder: never, ever use your nails directly on your skin. They can tear the skin, introduce harmful bacteria, and lead to infection. Keep your hands clean, but keep your nails far away from your face during extractions. The best extractions are quick, clean, and leave minimal redness or irritation. A sign that you've done it right is a clear pore and happy skin. If you find yourself pressing hard or notice significant redness developing around the area, it's a clear signal to back off immediately. Continuing will only exacerbate the problem. Leave deep, painful, or stubborn pimples to the professionals. A dermatologist or trained esthetician has the tools and expertise to handle these types of blemishes safely and effectively. When performing extractions at home, stick to surface-level blemishes that are clearly ready to release. Avoid attempting to extract anything that feels deep, inflamed, or painful. Ultimately, knowing when to quit is just as important as knowing how to extract. Your skin will thank you for your patience and restraint. Remember, a successful extraction is about skill, technique, and gentle precision, not brute force. Approach it with care, and your skin will reward you. Now that we've covered the extraction process, let's shift our focus to what happens afterward. Let's talk about aftercare, the often overlooked but essential step in maintaining healthy, clear skin. After popping, cleanse the area with a gentle toner or saline. Avoid harsh alcohols, they irritate and slow healing. Apply a hydrocolloid patch to protect and speed recovery. It keeps bacteria out and stops you from picking. Leave it on overnight for best results. In the days after, use a light moisturizer and spot treatment if needed. Hydration helps skin heal faster. Always wear sunscreen. Sun can darken healing spots. Consistency and gentle care are your best friends. Make your routine a calming ritual, not a rush. Safe popping means clear, healthy, confident skin. You deserve to love the skin you're in.